Hey folks, this is Captain Doug Wynn with Crappie Gills and more. We're here at Sportsman's Marina this afternoon. We had a real good couple-hour trip. Got some crappie and some catfish. I wanted to go over a couple of techniques that I use on. I want to start with the catfish. This is a channel cat. You can tell by the coloration, the spots on it. We catch a lot of them doing the pulling the crankbaits. What I typically do on the catfish filleting them, I go from dorsal fin to the anal fin. I come down and I work down the ribs until I hit the backbone. You'll hear me getting on and off the knife. I do that quite often. I pull the fillet back. I just got a hold of the fish. It's going to come right under here. We've still got a few bones right here in the ribs we'll take care of. You can see the skin is clean. I'm going to turn it over. He's not real happy about it. Same thing, come down the rib, back side of the ribs until I hit the spine. I'll come right here. I'll pull the fillet back. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. A lot of people are not aware. Catfish have a swim bladder in here. It's a real leathery white membrane. It's hard for me to get a hold of, but it's if you do not perforate that membrane, a lot of the marinas like Sportsman's, we toss the remains of the fish over in the lake for the turtles, and we got quite a collection of turtles started here. I'm going to take the fillet knife, the sharp edge. I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to perforate that swim bladder. If I don't do that, if that swim bladder is left intact, and I throw that fish over the side, that fish is going to float for 2 or 3 days, and it's going to be really nasty. As you can see, it went down like a rock, and the turtles will enjoy it immensely. Okay, I'm going to get back to the fillet. We've still got a few rib bones here. I'm just going to come in with the fillet knife. I'm going to take those out. I'm going to feed that to the turtles. I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to take, and I'm just going to barely take my fillet blade, and I'm just going to work it right up that lateral line. And I'm going to get a lot of this red meat off of here. The red meat is edible, but it's real strong. It'll give a real strong fishy taste. Most people very much prefer it without it. The channel catfish will have a little bit of fat right along the back. I'm going to come in, I'm going to take that off. Turtle food. We've got a really nice clean fillet there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to take the rib meat off. I'm going to come in. Just real lightly. I'm going to come right up. If you see this line, that's called the lateral line. I want to take that lateral line off the back. This is nothing essentially but fat. I'm just going to take that off. It's nice clean. I'm going to take just a little bit off the back. We're ready for the sink, ready for the table. Nice clean catfish fillets. The easiest way I found to do them, it's the way I do them for home and for my clients, and everybody seems to like them.